Hey guys, welcome to the Houston Kilby YouTube channel. Alrighty guys, we are starting ourselves a new project here. Man, check out this hood scoop. Man, that thing is wicked right there. Check that out right there.
Jeep with a ram air.
That's right, man. Jeep ram air just about. It's kind of got this cowl hood with kind of like a scoop in the center. That's pretty cool. I like that. But we got ourselves a Scrambler project going on. I know you guys have probably seen us sharing videos of a chassis being built, and I'm finally able to release some footage of some stuff going on in the shop. You'll notice some things are kind of covered up here in the background, and there's a reason for that. But this is something I can show off right now, and this thing is looking pretty wicked. So let's take a peek underneath here and see what this thing is looking like. Alrighty guys, I thought I'd give you a quick kind of what all we've been working on and how we've kind of built this thing in the past little bit. And just kind of a quick overview of all the stuff we got going on. So you can see Dad there, he was rocking and rolling on cleaning some of the pieces up before they get tack welded up. And with this chromemoly, you definitely want to have some clean surfaces before you weld on it, because most of the metal is actually got oil on it when it gets shipped to you. So remember, keep that metal clean and shiny before you weld it up. But as you can tell, we're getting some really tight tolerances on this stuff, and I'm really happy with not only the work that we're putting into this, but all of us as a team working together on this thing. We really moved heaven and earth just in a couple of days, and we're really excited about this one. But as you can see now, we've got the LS motor sitting in it, and this is a plastic block. This is what you can buy from Speedway Motors. But this thing's starting to come together. We're getting the fenders on it so we can start mocking up the front end, so we can now double check all of our dimensions on our drawing for the front section of the bottom chassis there. So this thing is starting to come together and looking pretty good, and we're really excited about this thing. All right, boom, there you go. So you can see what all we got going on there. You know, me, my dad, and the whole team has been working really hard to try and get this thing put together, and also our other projects going on right now too. But this thing will be an LS powered machine. Here in the next couple of weeks, you're going to see a lot of changes with this thing. Yes, we do have the glass for it, and it's going to be a hardtop car, so you'll get to see the top go on it here for long. But right now, we're going to finish off the bottom side of the chassis, and once that is complete, then we'll start on the top and on the roll cage. So let's check out the drawing over here so you guys can see what all we're working on. Alrighty guys, so you can see our drawing right here. Disregard these white pieces up here, but you can kind of see what we're dealing with and what we're building over there. So basically the Jeep body is going to sit down on top of this lower frame here, and then we'll have the cage built on top of that. So I think it's looking pretty cool, and kind of zoom in here and kind of see what all we got going on. Check that out. Check out the detail we got in this thing. And you can zoom in right in there. Hope you guys can see it. Boom. That's really neat. I'm really excited about this program. I've been working really hard on this, and one, learning the program, and two, trying to figure out how we're going to make this work. And it's been a really neat process of making this come to life. And it's been working good. Me and the team has been making some really good progress on this thing, and I cannot wait to do more to it. So really exciting stuff going on right now. This is one of those examples of why you guys haven't seen much stuff happen on our YouTube channel. I've just been slammed to get all this done, to figure out the program, and building this one, building our other projects in the background right now too. I mean, you can see stuff hanging up in the air, and it's just crazy right now. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. Now this was kind of short and sweet, but we're just extremely busy right now. So thank you guys so much. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Be sure to check out KilbyMotorsports.com, and also be sure to check out TSR Racing Products as well. Until next time, you guys have a good one, and we'll see you all on the flip side. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. Be sure to check out our other videos down at the bottom. Don't forget to check out tsrracingproducts.com and make sure you get yourself a Houston Kilby Full Metal Goat t-shirt at kilbymotorsports.com. And if you want to continue seeing new videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until next time, you guys have a good one.